Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute Valentine's Day nail set. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, you guys, I wanted to tell you about this Melody Susie nail UV LED lamp. You guys know that Melody Susie is one of my favorite brands. It's actually the first brand of nail drill that I ever bought when I first started doing acrylic nails on clients. It was like my first splurge. I think it was like $50 on Amazon. I love Melody Susie. I love all their stuff, and I'm so grateful that they sent me this nail lamp to try out. So I'm going to be showing you guys the nail lamp. It's actually really good quality. I showed you guys the inside briefly, but it does have a whole bunch of lights. Usually with cheaper brands, you'll notice that the lamps on the inside do not have a lot of lights. If you're having like some struggles with your gel polish not curing and it's wrinkling, it could be because there's not a lot of lights in the lamp. It could also be that the wattage is low and it doesn't cure your gel polish properly. But something that I really liked about this one is that it is censored, so you put your hand in and out and it censors your hand. And then another thing I really loved that I showed you guys there is that it is cordless, so it is rechargeable. You just charge it with the cord. And I like that it shows you the battery, so you can see how much battery you have, and then it also tells you the setting, and you do need to hold it down when you want to turn it on. So I'm holding it down. I'm trying to press it and it's not turning on, so you have to hold it down to turn it on. I will put this one in the description box down below. Melody Susie is one of my favorite brands. Their gel polishes are really good as well. So I love it. I really do like it. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the nail set now. I'm going to go ahead and start with the nude color on every single nail, and these are some medium length almond nails. I am actually making these for fun. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out why. But I'm making these for fun, and I did decide to do a Valentine's Day theme just because I didn't know what theme to do, and I know Valentine's Day is coming up. I'm not necessarily already starting on Valentine's Day nails. I don't want you guys to feel like I'm rushing into the holidays, another holiday again, because I know things have been feeling so rushed this year. I know all of you guys could probably agree. So I don't want to rush into things. I'm still going to be doing winter nails because I feel like it's still winter. I still have all my Christmas decorations up, and I'm not ready to let Christmas go, honestly. It went by too fast. But I am making this for a specific reason, and that is specifically why I chose this Valentine's Day theme. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this, and I did really want to show you guys how I made it. I didn't have to film this, but it actually turned out so freaking cute. I love the way the leopard print looks with like the little red lips, so I feel like you guys might like this type of design. But yeah, I'm just doing nude on all of the nails. I did already buff the nails, and then I also went in with a base coat gel to make sure that they're strong, and that's all I've done so far. So really quickly here, I wanted to show you guys some of my inspo. I actually went on Instagram and tried to look for some inspos that I liked. Honestly, I didn't end up doing anything like any of these. I wanted to do more of a pink theme, and I ended up going way more red. But I'm going to be going in with this color called Baby Rose from Nail Reserve. This is one of my favorite light pink gel polishes, or it is actually my favorite light pink gel. You guys know I use this in literally every light pink nail set that I make. So I'm going to be using this for a French, and I'm going to be doing a French on almost every single nail. I think I'm just leaving the ring finger blank, and then I am using a really nice thin liner brush. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing a French tip on all of those. So I did decide to go in with this really beautiful glitter I got from Nail Reserve, but I honestly later on ended up deciding to go more of a red route. I felt like this would go really pretty with the leopard, and it honestly did, but because I decided to add red lips, I felt like it was clashing like all three colors together. So you guys will see how I change that later, but this color is so beautiful. I love a chunky glitter gel. I feel like it's so unique when you find one because it's kind of hard to find them if you really think about it. A lot of glitter gels are fine glitter, and I love the chunky glitters because it gives you more of like an acrylic nail type of look, like when you use an acrylic chunky glitter, and you know I'm all about trying to get that effect with press-ons without having to actually use acrylic. So I'm just showing you guys, I did decide to use it and I wanted to ombre it down. It ombreed super beautifully, so if you guys are interested in like a color like this, I'll put it in the description. It was so pretty, and this is how it looks. So yeah, I just used that, but I do change it afterwards.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now I'm going to be grabbing a red gel polish and I'm going to be going ahead and creating these really cute little lips. This is just a really nice simple way to add like a little Valentine's Day accent to the nails without it being like too much. You could even leave just one little lip and like one little kiss, I guess. It's not lips, it's kiss. You can just leave one and it would look cute too, but I wanted to add a few around the nail set. Then I went in with this brown color. This is just a like regular brown that I mixed with a little bit of white. And I'm going to be doing random blobs all over the pink part of the French. This is a really easy way to create the leopard print that I'm creating. So I'm just going ahead and doing a bunch of random spots. And honestly, the more random, the better. And I'm making sure to put some small ones up here as well so it doesn't look so bare. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other hand. Now to complete the leopard, I'm going to be doing some black gel polish, and you're basically just going to go in little blobs around the brown, but you're not going to make a complete circle. Like, you're not going to surround the brown completely. You're just going to do like 2 little dots on each side, and then you can do little extra dots in random spots as well, like I'm doing here. And I'm going to leave in every nail that I do so you guys can see all of them. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my no wipe top coat. This is the diamond no wipe top coat from NAILSBLINGEDSUPPLY, and I'm going to be doing this all over the nail once the nail's already cured. So I did already cure the leopard print. I also did decide to add a little bit of glitter onto the lips there. Forgot to mention that. And I also did completely switch the ring finger to a red glitter instead of that gold glitter. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I felt like I needed to do something different, so I did the red. And now I went ahead and buffed where I wanted to apply some rhinestones, and I have not top coated these nails yet because I knew I was going to apply a rhinestone design. You guys know I love bling nails, so I had to bling these out just a little bit. I'm going ahead in with some crystals, and these ones are so pretty. I love them, so I'm going ahead and just doing a little design here with some light pink crystals, and then also some of these golden ones and some brown ones. I have been getting a few questions here and there about why I started using this new glue. This glue is from Amazon. It is a cyanacrylate glue. It's worked so well for me lately. I really love it. It is a thick consistency, but it is not actually super thick. It is actually more of a medium consistency. They do sell a medium consistency and then a thick consistency. The medium one is actually way more of a runny consistency, and this one is like perfect. So this is like a perfect medium, even though it says thick, if that makes sense. So if you guys are looking for a good rhinestone glue, this is really good. It is really similar to the Zulay's Bling Adhesive. If you guys know what that glue is, it is so good. But this one, you get way more bang for your buck, I guess you could say, because you get more product for like a less of a price. It's a really big bottle, and I feel like I'm not going to run out anytime soon. I've been loving it, and it works really well. Something that I noticed about this one is it does not cloud up a lot like the other glues that I've tried have, but you do need a hurry up nail glue dryer type of spray with this glue, so you just want to make sure to spray it so that it cures fully. And then here I am. Basically, I did already make sure the nails are fully cured, so I can go ahead and top coat around them. So I'm using my top coat, and I'm going around the crystals. You could just see how beautiful the crystals look. They are so sparkly, and you could see no clouding on the crystals. I hate when they cloud so bad. The Zulay's Bling Adhesive does tend to cloud kind of a lot, I'm not gonna lie. And also when I was using the Dashing Diva glue, that one also clouded a lot, so that's why I stopped using it. So basically after this, I just cured the nails and they were done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I wanted to talk about to you guys. So I'm actually making these nails because I am going to be giving them away. That's why I wanted to do a Valentine's Day themed set. So I'm actually going to be having a total of 5 prizes, and I'm going to show you guys them now. So each prize, you get to choose which one you want to enter. So this is the first prize. This is a size small nail set, an extra long coffin. This is like I said, this is the first prize, and then there's going to be a second one, which is the one we made in this video. This one right here, the second prize. This is a size medium. The measurements are going to be on the screen for you guys. And then also this set is the third prize. This is the one that we made recently and a few videos back. If you guys remember, it is so cute, such a cute cow set. So this is the third prize. And then now here is the fourth prize. So the fourth prize is going to have a mixture of gel polishes and stuff. This is all nail supplies. This one is not going to have any nails that I made. So this has like little butterflies that you can encapsulate on nails, different brands of gel polishes. Some gel polishes I also purchased specifically for this giveaway. A really cute little positive penguin, some earrings, a whole pack of rhinestones. It's underneath though. A brand new nail cutter, a brand new spider gel from Nailzbydev. So just a whole bunch of stuff. And then now for the next prize, this is going to be the final prize. This is the fifth prize. I am giving away the Melody Susie nail lamp that I talked about in the beginning of the video. I'm also going to be giving away 3 Nail Reserve gels. I'm going to be giving away 2 Enel Couture ones, my favorite Ragism gel, a cute pack of earrings that I purchased, this cute positive penguin to remind you guys to keep going, a cute nail brush, and then 2 brand new nail files and just a few other goodies that I'm going to throw in there. So as you can see, there is 5 different prizes in total. When you follow the giveaway and you enter, what you're going to do is you're going to tell me which one of these 5 things you would want to win. I am also going to just mention now that I am going to be doing more giveaways in the end of January, and those ones are going to be worldwide. So this one for now is going to be US only. Here are the rules that you need to follow in order to join. So here is a little PSA. The giveaway is USA only. Please follow all the rules to be entered. The winner will be announced on my Instagram story on Sunday, December 29th at 5 p.m. This is how to enter the giveaway. Step 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Step 2, follow Nailslayedbyval on Instagram. Step 3, message me on my Instagram account, Nailslayedbyval, through DM and tell me which one of these prizes you would like to win. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support this year. I actually just am so grateful. I love and appreciate all of you, and congratulations to all of those who win. And like I said, I'm going to be doing more giveaways in the coming future, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!